this week's furniture flip. So this week I'm going to be flipping this beautiful mid-century modern table that I only got for $8. First thing that I did was bring the table outside. I went ahead and put it upside down so that I can unscrew all of the screws with my screwdriver. The reason why I'm doing this is just so that I don't have to tape down anything when I'm painting. It's just a lot easier to paint by doing this. Also, I want to mention, make sure that you put these in a safe place so you don't lose it. Okay, now I'm going to take some warm water and some dish soap and go ahead and wipe down everything just to make sure that it's all clean, and then go back in with the clean water. Before I can do anything on this table, I am going to take my 220 grit sanding block and just scuff sanding the legs before I can stain. So the reason why I went ahead and scuff sand with 220 grit sandpaper is just to give the stain something to really hold on to when I put it on there. Now that everything is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on, and then I am going to be grabbing this dark walnut stain and go ahead and stain the wooden leg. For this, I'm just going to use a rag and dip it in there and then go through and wipe it on. Another one of my Christmas presents that I finally get to use are all of the paintbrushes that I got. So I got the mini angle Dixie Belle paintbrush, and then I just got the mini, which I think that I'm going to be using for this project. Then I also got a Zibra square brush. I won't be using that for this project. And then I got another Zibra, I think it's just a cutting furniture brush. And then after we finish painting, I get to use my cleaner for the paintbrushes, and I think I got this from Dixie Belle. I'm going to be going in with this interior flat pure ultra white color, and I'm not going to prime just because it is a paint and primer, but normally I would. So like I said, I'm going to be going in the mini Dixie Belle paintbrush. I'm so excited. Here is what I ended up finishing today. The next thing that I need to do is just do the other side of paint on the tables. This is how I clean my paintbrushes. I use Clean as a Whistle for the first time here, and I'm not sure if I love it, but what I did is put half solution and half water, and I let it sit in a bowl for just a little bit, but then decided to pour it into a cup. That way it could get more of the bristles, and I think it worked, but I'm going to keep using it to know for sure. So I'm actually painting the second coat on the back side in my room, which I probably shouldn't be because I have pretty carpet right here, but I have a towel down, so I'm gonna do it. gonna go paint the second layer of the bottom and I'll be right back. Okay guys, we are getting so close to being done. So when I took these off of the towel, it did leave a little bit of the towel still on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take sandpaper and kind of scuff that off. I'm also going to go ahead and touch up the corners of this just in case there's any texture on there. Okay, so now I'm going to take my microfiber cloth and go ahead and wipe it down one last time before I can touch up the edges. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this brush that's not very important to me and just touch up the edges right here. I thought I was going to be doing the top coat right now, but I ended up not doing that and doing a third coat on the top of the table. The thing with flipping furniture, you always think it's going to take a lot less time than it actually ends up taking. Hey guys, I just finished working out and it's pretty dark and raining outside, but I'm really trying to have this video out in 2 days. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the top coat on there so that we can let it dry and be able to put it together tomorrow. And I'm using my roller brush to do this. Okay, so I finished with the top coat, but y'all probably can't tell a difference. I mean, I can't even tell a difference, so. Okay guys, we are at the final stage. It took a week longer than I wanted it to take, but I'm just gonna go ahead and attach everything together and wipe off the glass. Okay, so now that I have the legs on, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the middle part. Just put it on there. All-American girl. Yikes. And you can't even see me. Again, why do I keep doing that? The wooden leggings. Leggings?